Hi guys, I'm Cash with CashedOutCars, and in today's video we're going to be changing the battery in a Mark 7 Volkswagen key fob. Let's get started. So they do make this very easy to change the battery, which I'm very appreciative of. So the first step is just pop your key blade out like that, and then you have to just remove this plastic cover right here, and to do that you get your fingers in here like that, line it up, hold the other side, and just twist a little bit. And that plastic cover will pop right off like that and give you access to your battery. To get the battery itself out, it's also very easy. Just take a little screwdriver or pry tool and get that in there, and it'll just pop right out just like that. This battery is a CR2025 battery. You could put a slightly bigger battery in there if you want. I've heard of people doing that, but this is the recommended size, and if you put the other battery in, your battery cover will bulge out just a little bit, and we don't want that. So to put that battery in, you literally just slide it into place like that, make sure it pops down, and then to get the cover back on, you slide it into place that way, and just push it down, and it'll click, and your battery has been changed. So guys, that's it for this video. Like I said, it's very easy. If you need these batteries, I have a link to where you could get them in the description and in the comments below. It's super easy to get them on Amazon. They'll ship them to you quick and you'll have them ready to change. Please like this video if you liked it, and if it helped you, leave any questions or comments you have below and subscribe for more. I hope you stick around for the next one. Take care.